Hello children, today let us continue the second part of history lesson Christianity and Islam. In today's video, you will learn about Islam. Children, Islam is the religion followed by the Muslims, isn't it? This religion Islam originated in Arabia, Saudi Arabia. Arabia is a peninsula of West Asia. It's a peninsula. It is basically a desert. It is basically a desert which is not suitable for agriculture. You know, in desert we can see everywhere sand. So it is not suitable for agriculture. Thus, the Arabs migrate to fertile lands and settled in the places where water was available in Saudi Arabia. Such places were Mecca and Medina. In the beginning, Arabs worshipped many objects, many things of nature, like stones, trees, and streams as gods. Kaaba was considered to be one of the important religious places. Islam is the religion propagated by Muhammad Paigamba. Now let us learn about the life of Muhammad Paigamba. The Prophet Muhammad Paigamba was born in 570 CE at Mecca. The birthplace of Muhammad Paigamba is Mecca. His parents were Abdullah and Amina, but he lost his parents at an early age during his childhood, so he was brought up by his uncle. He was a shepherd in the beginning and later started visiting Mecca and Syria for business purposes with his uncle. In Mecca, he was introduced to a rich widow by name Khadija, and Muhammad was employed by her. Later, he married her. They had 2 sons and 4 daughters. When he traveled to different places, he came to know about the principles of Christianity and Jewish religion. He started meditating deeply for long hours on Mount Hira to find remedies for the social and cultural shortcomings of Arab people. After Paigambar achieved enlightenment on Mount Hira, he was called as the messenger of the God by the people. Soon his principles became very popular among people and many became his disciples, his followers. When he was in deep meditation, he used to share his messages with his disciples, with his followers. They were considered as the messages of the God by his followers. Such collection of messages were compiled and published later. This is known as the Holy Book of Quran. Later, Paigambar started preaching his principles in Mecca. Paigambar opposed polytheism. What do you mean by polytheism? Worship of more than one God. When he opposed polytheism, worshipping more than one God, the enraged people of Mecca conspired to murder him. They planned to murder Paigambar. When there was danger for his life, he travelled from Mecca to Medina in 622 CE, and Muslims reckon this as Hijra. Islamic lunar calendar is based on Hijra. The people of Medina welcomed him and followed his principles. After 8 years, there was a war between Mecca and Medina, and the people of Medina defeated the people of Mecca. Later, Paigambar came back to his place, that is Mecca. So, in the year 622 CE, when there was danger for the life of Prophet Muhammad, he travelled from Mecca to Medina. After 8 years, there was a war between Mecca and Medina, and the people of Mecca were defeated by the people of Medina. So, Paigambar came back to his place, that is Mecca. The people of Mecca accepted his teachings. Finally, they became the followers of the religion propagated by Paigambar. Gradually, his principles spread all over the Arab region. Now let us see what are the teachings of Islam. Islam means submission of oneself before the God. Muslim, Muslim means the follower of God. Islam means surrendering oneself before the God completely. Muslim means the follower of God. What are the teachings of Islam? God is one. A simple prayer is enough to win the heart of the God. Second one should lead an honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. Third one should have respect for women and compassion for the poor and weak. Respect women and have compassion, show pity for the poor and the weak. Islam follows 5 important rituals. Which are they? Kalima. Kalima means believe only in Allah and Muhammad is his prophet. Believe in only one God, that is Allah, and Muhammad is his prophet. Second one is namaz. Prayer for Allah for 5 times a day. Third one, roza means fasting in the month of Ramzan. Zakat means definite sum to be spared in the income to give to the poor. Keep a definite sum, some amount of money to contribute to the poor. Fifth one is Hajj. It is pilgrimage to Mecca once in lifetime. These are the rituals of Islam. Expansion of Islam. How did Islam spread? After the death of Muhammad Paigamba, the caliphs took over the responsibility of promoting Islam. Caliphs are known as the successors of Paigambar. Who are caliphs? The successors of Paigambar are called caliphs. And these caliphs took the responsibility of promoting Islam, spreading Islam. With the sincere efforts of caliphs, Islam spread from Spain to India within a century. What are the reasons for such a fast growth? They are simplicity of Islam. Second one, efforts of caliphs to spread Islam. Third one is devotion of Muslims. Fourth one, religious interest of sultans. Fifth one is conducive political situation, good favorable political condition. All these aspects helped in the fast growth of Islam. What are the contributions of Islam? After accepting Islam, Arabs have been known for the following contributions. First one is medicine for measles and other diseases and books on medicine. Their medicine for some diseases and their books on the medicine is one of the important contribution of Islam. Second one is new inventions in science and mathematics. Third one, the spread of knowledge built by medieval Arab and Persia in the field of geography and astronomy to other parts of the world. Next one is Islam influenced the art and architecture. The features of Islamic architecture can be seen in the buildings Roman, Byzantine and Persian empires. What are the contributions of Islam? Medicine for measles and other diseases and books on medicine. Second one, new inventions in science and mathematics. Third one, the spread of knowledge built by medieval Arab and the Persia in the field of geography and astronomy to other parts of the world. Fourth one, Islam influenced the art and architecture. The features of Islamic architecture can be seen in the buildings built in Roman, Byzantine and Persian empires. Sects in Islam. Like in other religions, many sects can be found in Islam. The most important among them are Shia and Sunni. Shia and Sunni are the two important sects of Islam. The successors of Muhammad Paigamba are known as caliphs. They became the religious and political leaders of Islam after Paigamba. What are the successors of Muhammad Paigamba known as? Caliphs. Who was the first caliph? Abu Bakr was the first caliph. Thank you, children.